Hey, too. We're going to talk about Chrissy and Mr. Jones, episode 3. It starts off with Chrissy and Emily. They meet in the park, and Chrissy wants to tell Emily, like, she's not ready for this baby. Well, she kind of talks to her about what happened at the doctor and the fertility and specialist, and she talked about how she's 41 and it's time for her to have a baby. It's not time for her to have a baby. Yes, boo. It's either time for you to have a baby or it's time to hang it up because when you get a little older, it's not gonna be right. But she, to me, my whole thing about Chrissy, I like her, but look, you knew what you was getting yourself into when you got with him. You knew he was a hustler. You knew he was in the street. I just don't get it. All of a sudden, you get a little fame or whatever, and now it's like, oh, I don't want to be a mom and a wife, and I want to be independent. Which is nothing wrong with being independent, but you're going to lose your man. It's either y'all need to compromise. But the baby situation, you understand your man wants the baby, so it's time. It's really time. It's either time to tell him, look, this relationship ain't going nowhere because I'm not going to be no wife and no mama, or it's time to say, look, we're going to have a baby and we're going to do this and we're going to be together. Or simple as that. It's like, come on now. Anyway, Mama Jones and Freddie, they meet up to talk about the little Boom Kosh commercial, but he tells her he needs a favor from her. He needs her to talk to Jim and Chrissy to get back on his good side because he shot that psychotic video or whatever, the video about Chrissy. So he needs to get back in good with Jim because Jim ain't telling him. Then we get Jim and Emily in the studio. They talking about what Chrissy had told Emily. And Jim is like, who are you to come in here to talk about relationship advice? Like, his relationship is his relationship, your relationship is your relationship. I just don't get how it was your place. But like he said, he loved Chrissy. He want to be with her. But he a hustler. He a straight nigga. That's just simple as that. That's who he is. I don't understand how girls get mad when that's who they get with, and then all of a sudden y'all want to change them from these hustlers to these in-the-house dudes, and that's not who they are. That's not who you got with. If he get in the house and then he not making money, then what? You gonna leave him because y'all ain't got enough money? I just don't get it. Emily and Chrissy, she go back and tell Chrissy what he said, and she's just still like she don't want to have no baby. This whole episode is, I don't want to have no baby. Every episode is, I don't want to have no baby. But yeah, she talk about she just not ready, and Emily like, this is what you wanted. This is what you kept on saying you wanted. This is what I don't understand. But she said she'll support her friend, which you're supposed to. Then Mama Jones, this Boom Kosh, whatever this commercial is called. They shoot this commercial. I mean, she looked it okay, but it's a ratchet commercial, which I think that's what she was shooting for. Boom Kosh. Chrissy and Emily and Talia, they go to have lunch and they want to talk about the little line that Chrissy wants to start, and immediately they go in with this immature pettiness and talk about each other close. Oh, you got a tutu on, you got on this. It was just stupid. Stupid. Jimmy and Freddie meet up to talk, or whatever. Mama Jones set up a little thing for them to talk. Jimmy wasn't feeling him from the moment he got the door. He was telling him to shut up. He was being very disrespectful to him. He wasn't treating him like no man. He was treating him like a little bitch. And that's the same way. That's what Freddie took. Freddie took that, okay, I'm a bitch, I'm going to take this. Because he didn't say nothing but, oh, you please stop talking to me. You ain't going to be talking to me like this. And just put him out. Just straight bitched him for real. Chrissy and Jimmy, they talk over dinner about her not wanting to have a baby, and he's, like I said, always her not wanting to have a baby. But then she tells him that, oh, I want to find an apartment, and when you're ready to come, then you can come. And he was like, okay, and why would you get mad if you told him you found your apartment and he can come when he's ready? Then you get mad when he say he's okay, that you can go. I just didn't understand that. My thing is, men don't work that way. You can't give them ultimatums and think they're going to just jump. They don't work like that. Men is not like women. They don't work like that. If a man gave a woman an ultimatum, she would have been like, okay, well, my baby's going to do this. So she would have jumped. A man don't work with ultimatums. Sorry. So my thing is, Chrissy, stop playing games. You either going to marry this man and have this baby or you not. Deuces.